to give all the models different looks, but obviously we have to keep in mind the longevity, and obviously they've got lots of changes, so anything that is going to stay for the entire show is what we definitely keep in mind, as well as, you know, obviously giving them different looks for their outfits because they're all different as well. On the runway there are big flashing lights, so we want to make sure that the models have got a lot of coverage and a nice pop of colour, just so that they don't, you know, drown out of the lights. So it's important to make sure that everyone can still see the makeup, but because it is natural fibres, we want to make sure it's nice and natural and glowy still to go with the theme of the event.
The Natural Fibres Parade celebrate the agricultural industries, which is obviously a really important part of us being here at the Ekka, but it's also about showcasing the talents of our designers and the great range of fashion they have to offer customers.
For me, it's fulfilling a childhood dream I had. I was 8 years old when I first watched the Ekka, and that was the moment that I realised that I wanted to be in fashion, that I wanted to be doing modelling. So I think it's a really exciting time to not only inspire people but get really well connected with the designers, makeup artists